Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's simplify this expression. We are given square root of 199 squared plus 199 plus 200. Solution. Okay, so let's observe this. We have 199 plus 199. Alright, so we can take the 199 out here. So we leave it 199 plus, so this side we leave it 1. Now this time this will be this 1 squared, this time this will be that, plus 200. Alright, so the next step will be 199. So this side will be 200 plus 200. Okay, now let's observe this. We have 200 here, 200 there, so we can pick it out. We can factorize 200 out. That will be 200. So once I do that, this side will leave it 199 199 plus, so this side will be left at 1, this and that in common, so plus 1. So we have 200 times 200. Now square root of a times a will be square root of a squared. So we can conclude here that square root of 200 squared. Okay, and this squared will consider with sign, even 200. As simple as that. All right, so the answer is 200.